Greetings and salutations, folks. I'm Josh from Layzee Acres. Thank you for tuning in. We are saving the world here, one trailer at a time. Today, we're going to take a look at a 2024 Grand Design Transcend model number 261BH. It's a great bunk model floor plan with an awesome kitchen, double over double bunks, an outside kitchen, couch across from the dinette with a separate bedroom. Just a whole lot going on with it, weighing 6,600 pounds or so. This one went on tour with the Rolling Stones. Bing, bang, boom. I'm here with my friend, that Dutch bad boy, Brendan Hannemeyer, on the camera today. Say hello, Brendan.
What's going on, happy campers, future campers, and fellow salespeople? Thank you so much for tuning in to the #1 RV YouTube channel in the world. If you don't mind hitting that like and subscribe button, we would greatly appreciate that. We're putting out awesome content like this all the time. We're very excited about this 261BH. I gotta say, probably my favorite 26 bunk model floor plan. It has a beautiful counter space and just a great layout in the living room. You're gonna enjoy this. We're also on TikTok, Instagram, and Facebook. Follow us along there as well.
Right on, Brandon. We got some great updates we're gonna get to. The most obvious of those is the exterior update. There's no more grays on it. It's white and black, looking sharp, going down the road. Brandon and I both have frogs in our throat this morning. Front power jack, 20-pound propane tanks, and then your battery in a box location there. Aluminum skin, wood frame, but this aluminum skin is thicker than you'd see on a J-Flight or Springdale or something like that. It's also got a nice flat finish, so it does look different going down the road. Motion sensitive light here on either side, and then we have a couple battery disconnects. One's for the unit, one's for the solar. City water connection, freshwater fill, outside receptacle, and then our solar charge controllers right in through there. These come standard with a 165 watt solar panel on the roof, 25 amp charge controller, 4 stabilizer jacks that are manual, 1 on each corner of the trailer. And then we got our secondary sewer drain here, our main sewer drain at the back. 15-inch tires, B.
Oh yeah.
Steel rims.
The chrome don't get you home.
That's it, brother. And then we have a black water flush kit because our washroom's right here. Side mount ladder, 30 amp detachable style cord. And as we come around the back side here, full size spare that we're gonna put that beautiful Layzee Acre tire cover on. We've got the backup camera prep, on-demand gas water heater, which is new for 2024. God, I'd love to see that. Outside spray port, and we have an outside kitchen right in through here as well. 2-burner stovetop with a 2 cubic foot fridge. There's a plug in through here too, so you have like a little ice maker out here if you want to do something like that. But right there's your furnace vent. And then let's talk about the seals on these Transcends, Brendan. So
Quad seal.
Quad seal. So what they do is they have the metal comes together right here. They put the Mylar tape on it, which is basically like an indestructible tape that bridges the gap there between the two metals. Then they put PVC foam tape on the inside of the metal, PVC foam on the outside of the metal, molding on, and then they caulk it. So quad seal, 4 seals on there. Really, really well done. No putties used. And then we have our door side window here facing our campsite. Freshwater fill, outside receptacle, lend-a-hand grab handle, 3-step entrance up and in. Our awning spans from here all the way to the back, covers our outside kitchen. LED light here for a porch light, outside speakers, and then right here is just the other side of our pass-through storage. Now you'll notice that the slide out's still closed on here, but we're going to be able to get to everything. Let's have a look at the travel access here. Obviously able to get to the bedroom quite easily, able to slip into our fridge quite easily as well, and then they've positioned this door in a way we can get into our bathroom without opening up the slide. Let's get this thing opened up. Right on, folks. We're inside that 261BH, and what a difference getting that slide opening through here. There's all kinds of floor space. You're going to see in the camera all these new lights we've got going on here. So there's 4 LED light strips here through the center of the coach. It brings the light right out to the corners of the trailer, really eliminates the shadows. We don't like shadows here at Layzee Acres, Brendan.
Nope.
Evil lies in the shadows, but look at the space in through here. This is just fantastic, man. There's even a light strip above the double bunk there at the back. We've got that new interior that they've dropped down from the Solitude lineup at Grand Design, dropping into the Transcend. A little bit lighter, a little bit cleaner lines. We have our microwave that's also convection and an air fryer. Range hood vent, 3-burner stovetop. They've got rid of the oven because we have the convection up here and gave you more drawer space. These little dishes right here, obviously for the convection microwave / air fryer. Drawer right through there. And then here's our fridge. It's an 8 cubic foot, 12 volt fridge running off the battery being charged off the solar panel. And then there's a drawer down here. Trifold style sofa. It's going to pull out to a secondary bed, sleep 2 people there if they're in love, and then windows behind the sofa, light above the sofa. TV is facing, couch is facing the TV and facing our door side window, so we've got a great view either way. Our booth dinette is right through here, and this is also going to turn into a secondary bed if you want to do that. If you don't love the plaid, then probably turn off the video because I'm wearing a plaid jacket. But
oh, shoot,
what?
The plaid jacket.
Oh, sorry, I thought you didn't turn the camera on or something, buddy.
No.
All right, but you can reverse that around. And then, yeah, just appreciate the plaid jacket, I guess, right? Drawers here on either side. There's no carpeting underneath here. The only bit of carpet is right here underneath the couch just to bridge that gap. But like I said, door side window facing our campsite, TCL Roku TV, cupboard space right through there, radio right there. And then here's our double over double bunks. Below the double bunk, we're going to have a lot of storage options down there to slide the kids' bags. And these bunks are open, so it's not like the kids are sleeping in a cave or something like that. It's nice and open in through here. Individual curtains. I love this LED light strip above here. Like, that is such an awesome bunk bed. Right? We can turn that one off individually. Window at the back, window at the back. Just a great bunk setup. And then into our washroom, we've got a porcelain toilet here, which you're not seeing a lot of wood frame trailers. The dump truck definitely fits. I got a cupboard right there. There's a sink. There's a medicine cabinet. And then we've got open storage here for all your linen. Nautilus style door here. I'm 6 feet tall. Your boy Josh fits in here quite easily. Hooks to hang up the towels. This stuff is great. Like, honestly, people get a little bit skittish on it, but we take trades on these all the time, Brendan.
They hold up very well.
Yeah, hold up.
Hold up. Even like we've seen like 2018s, and those. This is a 2024, so
yeah,
that's like 6 years old.
6 years old. Right on. Plates and cups, storage here, more storage across the top. Check out the fact they got a skylight right above me, Brendan, bringing in nice natural light.
Love it.
Receptacles on both sides of the kitchen, counter space on both sides of the sink, so we're able to do dishes quite easily. Drawer, cupboard, more cupboards down through here. Great space for garbage can / recycling. Another drawer there. And then here's one of the highlights of this model for me. I'm coming in the main door here. I've got a shoe garage. Kick those shoes off. Get them out of the way. We've got a receptacle above this counter space. So you can easily plug in an ice maker, Keurig, whatever in through there. Feeling good, B?
Feeling great.
All right, man. We got hanging storage plus drawers underneath. Second verse, same as the first over here on the left-hand side. Open storage there. Storage underneath our bed, and then a sliding door separating it all off from the living space. Hopefully you enjoyed the video. Hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, hit us up on Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. Leave us a comment down below. Have yourself a good day.